Hey guys, welcome back. So here's something a lot of beginners don't realize. By default, Claude's knowledge has a cutoff date. Ask it about something that happened recently and it might not know. But Claude can also search the web in real time, pulling live current information and showing you exactly where it caught it. Today, I'm going to show you how it works, how to use it effectively, and even how to run deep multi-source research. Let's get into it. So first, why does this matter? Claude is trained on a huge amount of information, but only up to a certain date. So if you ask about today's news, the latest product, or a current price, on its own, it's working from older knowledge. With web search, Claude can look things up live, current events, recent release, prices, anything happening right now. And the best part, it gives you clickable sources so you can verify everything yourself. Good news too, web search is free on every plan. Here's the good news. You don't need to dig through settings to turn this on. In Claude, web search is built right in and works automatically. When your question needs current information, Claude just searches the web on its own. If you ever want to control it for a specific chat, click the Tools menu, the plus or slider icon right next to the message box, and you will find a web search option. You can toggle for that conversation, but most of the time you can simply ask and Claude handles the rest. Let's see it in action. Since it works automatically, you don't have to do anything special. If your question needs current information, Claude searches on its own. So I will ask, what are the latest AI news headlines this week? Watch, Claude goes off, runs a search, and you can actually see it searching right in the response. Then it answers, and look, there are little citations linked right in the neck. Click one and it takes you straight to the source. That transparency is a big deal. You are never just trusting it blindly. Sometimes you want to make sure it searches. Just say it directly, like search the web for current price of the Sony PlayStation 5 and summarize the best deals. That nudges Claude to go look it up, and you will see it pull live prices and sources. And it works the other way too. If you would rather it just answer from what it already knows without searching, you can simply tell it not to search. You are in control. Here's a really handy one. If you already have a link, you can paste the URL straight into the chat and ask Claude to read that specific page. So I will type, read this page, and summarize the key points. Then paste the link. I will use this Wikipedia article on artificial intelligence. Claude reads the whole page and gives me a clean summary in seconds. Perfect for long articles. Drop the link, get the summary, ask follow-up questions. No need to read the whole thing yourself. Web search also means Claude can find and show you images. So you can ask, show me images of the Eiffel Tower at night. And it will pull pictures right into the chat. Swap in any place, product, receipt, or plant you like. Great when you want to actually see what something looks like, not just read about it. Now for powerful one, for a single quick question, normal web search is perfect, but when you need real research, multiple sources, a thorough breakdown, there is a research mode. Look for the research button near the message box and click it on. Now when you ask something, Claude doesn't just do one search, it runs many searches, reads through multiple sources and pulls it all together into a structured report with citations. It takes a bit longer, but the depth is incredible. The trick to using it well, be specific. Don't just say research smartphones, say something like act as a market analyst. Research the top 3 budget smartphones of 2026. Compare their prices, features, and common complaints. and give me a structured summary with sources. The more detail you request, the better the report. One note, the search mode is a paid plan feature, so it's on Pro and up. Basic web search is free for everyone. A few honest limits. Web search can't get into paywalled articles, private accounts, or pages that block it. And while citations make Claude very trustworthy, it's still smart to click through and verify anything important, especially for big decisions. Treat it as a brilliant research assistant, not the final word. Okay, quick tips before we wrap up. First, for anything current like news, prices, or recent events, just ask. Claude will search automatically. Second, when you want to be sure, say search the web for to nudge it. Third, paste a URL when you want Claude to read one specific page. Fourth, for big topics, switch to research mode and write a detailed specific prompt. And fifth, always click the citations to verify the important stuff. The sources are right there, so use them. And that's how you use Claude's web search. You now know that it works automatically, how to get live answers with sources, how to read specific pages, find images, and run deep multi-source research. This basically turns Claude into a real-time research partner. So next time you have got a question about something current, just ask. In the next video, we will keep going. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it. Drop a like if this helped. Leave your questions in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.